So GST is an indirect tax which has replaced many indirect taxes in India. The Goods and Service Tax Act 2017. It's an indirect tax levied on the supply of goods and services. So we have different types of taxes under GST. CGST is central GST. So once you are doing any sales within the state, and that goes to central government. And SGST is state GST and applies to sales within the state and which goes to state government. And integrated GST, the sales outside the state and which goes to central government. You take an example. If you sell something within the state, the 50% of GST will be CGST and 50% of GST will be SGST. But when you sell something outside a state, and 100% of it will be IGST, and which will go to central government. So to begin with Tally ERP, we need to create a company and enable GST features, create concerned ledgers, and then vouchers. A normal procedure to create any company: go to Gateway of Tally, use Alt F3 shortcut and create company, and just enter the basic information regarding name, mailing address, currency symbol, books beginning and state, and etc. And in the maintain field, select accounts only, and as per your requirements, if you want inventory, you can make it, you can select accounts with inventory, and you need to specify all the details which are available on the screen, create company screen, and enter the concerned password and press Y, or you can enter to accept and save. And we need to enable GST features. Go to Gateway of Tally, press F11 and select F3. So F1, F2, F3, select F3 is statutory and taxation. Enable goods and service tax, make it S, and set alter GST details, also make it S. So you can set the GST details of any particular company, and such as your state and registration, everything, that is your GST number and etc. And press Y and to continue. Then come to your ledgers part. Go to Gateway of Tally, accounts info, ledgers, create, either it can be single or multiple. So you need to create ledgers such as purchase, sales, state GST, central, IGST, and stock item name, etc. And select an appropriate group. It can be a direct expenditure, indirect expenditure, sundry debtor, sundry creditor, anything. And complete the ledger creation format and go to accounting vouchers. So once ledgers are created, you go with accounting vouchers. So we have many vouchers like payment, receipt, contra, sales, journal, and etc. Based on the requirement, you can select one. And how will GST work in Tally? Just like your VAT or CST or service tax, which was earlier the things before GST. So we'll make a simple example. I'll just try a simple example. So Messrs ABC Limited of Mumbai sold goods worth 50,000 to Messrs XYZ Incorporation of Ahmedabad, and the GST rate is 18%. So how do you calculate GST here? And ABC has to collect GST and it's 18%, so it is 9,000. And the taxable value, and this is the area on which the tax will be levied. So rupees 50,000 in this case. And you need to select the type of tax. So here, as it is interstate trade, you need to select IGST, and rate of tax is 18% IGST. and create the concerned ledgers XYZ and other ledgers along with GSTN number. So now we have to go to accounting voucher screen and fill all the details of sales voucher screen. So everything automatically means all the tax calculations will be done automatically.